I said to to everyone that will be watching this video. So I've been away from for a long time on YouTube also, and what you call this, on Instagram. So I don't know whether when was I wanna be platform, but ke apibona khona, yeah, just know that uThixo uyisebane endleleni zethu esihamba kuzo, and he's always there ukusikhanyisela. So abangandaziyo, I go by the name of Unati Scott. Yeah, I go by the name of Unati Scott from Etinagha, guys. Abangazi Etinagha is a Eastern Cape, small town that is called Youth. So yeah, guys. So I'll be doing a cover of a song of Mduduzi, but I'm doing my own version. Uzoziva nevesi ngezam. Yeah, so yeah. So it goes like this. Oh yeah. Sozunitanise Jesu, dibizika malako, wenu yasabela, akeko fana nawe, akeko njengawe Jesu. Ebumnyameni lohlabelela, ezinsizini lohlabelela, noma kunzima lohlabelela, noma kunzima lobambelela, noma kunzima endleleni wena uyangikhanyisela. Somandla uyingcwele, akekho fana nawe, wena uyasinqobela ngenkinga zethu. Somandla wena uphangeme, somandla wena uyingcwele. Ebumnyameni lohlabelela, ezinsizini lohlabelela, oh, noma kunzima, oh, lohlabelela, oh, noma kunzima, yebo, lohlabelela. Uyisibane sokukhanya, noma kunzima lohlabelela. Uyisibane sokukhanya Jesu, noma kunzima lohlabelela. Yeah, guys, so that was Uyisibane by Ngohlabelela, or Uyisibane by Ebumnyameni. Yo, Ebumnyameni. The name of the song is Ebumnyameni, guys. I'm sorry. Ebumnyameni by Mduduzi. You can go and download the song at Uzvele yena version Mduduzi. Guys, Isibana. The original song of this song, yeah. I'm doing my own version, but I'm doing it as a cover, guys. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. So if you didn't subscribe yet, just hit the don't then subscribe, guys, yeah, to my channel. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.